It's a bit much. You can't even come out here in the evening now to get away from noise. I know, Nadya. I know, girl. Oh, I don't know. Still, at least we're outside. Yeah, I suppose. Oh, a real bizarre time. Bizarre times. Should have been here yesterday, Nadya. Why, what happened then? Tanya was exposing herself. Oh, well, that's nothing new. That's nothing unusual. Tanya does that a lot. Oh dear. Yes, I know. Oh. Ah, at least it seems to have stopped now. It seems to have stopped now, Nadya. The roots need doing, girl. Oh, do they? Oh, I don't care. I can't be bothered with things like that. Don't worry me. It's quite nice. I quite like it. Okay. I don't care if they show. It's a look, a fashion statement. Okay, Nadya. Okay, girl.